Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Iza Mubin and I hope you are all doing well, taking care of your families and yourselves by staying at home. Today we are here to learn together, so let's get started. So guys, today we will learn about the topic human teeth, and in this topic we will see the types, numbers and function of human teeth. I know every one of you know many things about the human teeth, but we will discuss it in details today. So in this lesson we are going to know about adult human teeth, types of human teeth and types of human teeth on the basis of their functions. So we will start with the objective of this lesson. And what are the basic objectives? Basic objectives are, by the end of this lesson you are going to be able to know about adult teeth and the types of teeth on the basis of their function. As humans, we have two sets of teeth during our lifetime. One of them is called baby teeth or primary teeth, and they start erupting when we are 6 months old. The second set of teeth is called permanent teeth or adult teeth, and it starts erupting when we are 6 years old. The set of permanent teeth has total 32 teeth in it, which are of different types and different functions. A set of adult teeth has 4 different types of teeth in it. Their names are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors are present at the front. They are 8 in numbers, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. Canines are present next to incisors. They are 4 in number, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Molars and premolars are present at the back. Premolars are 8 in numbers, while molars are 12 in numbers, including 4 wisdom teeth. We have discussed the types of teeth with their numbers and placement order. Now we will see the types of teeth on the basis of their functions. So guys, different types of teeth serve different purposes. For suppose, incisors are used for cutting food, canines are used for gripping and tearing food because they are sharper. Premolars and molars crush and grind the food and convert it into paste-like material so it can be swollen easily. Okay everyone, now for the better understanding of the concept, let's do a small activity. Are you ready? Okay, then quickly go to the kitchen. Bring some solid food. You got it? Okay, bite it now. Chew it now. Done? Okay. Now have you noticed which teeth did you use to bite the food? Exactly, these are incisors that helped you to bite the food. Okay, which teeth did you use to chew it? Very well done. These are molars that helped you to chew the food. So guys, let's have a look at the key points of the lesson. There are 32 teeth in a full set of adult teeth. The second thing you learn is that there are different types of teeth on the basis of their working or functions. Incisors are used for cutting. Canines are used for gripping and tearing food. Molars and premolars are used for crushing and grinding the food. I really hope that you have understood the concept clearly. So let's move to the classwork now. In classwork, you will read page number 15 till 18 on your textbooks. In written work, you will do page number 5, activity 1.4 on your workbooks. Don't forget to write date and day at the front of the top of the page of your book and write down the index on your copies. In index, you will mention all the things: serial number, date and topic. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. See you in next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Happy learning.